Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language on the Windows 11 operating system. So here, what you need to do is go to the settings on Windows. So you can click on this Windows button and find settings, tap on that. And in here, you'll find on the left panel, time and language. So click on this and you'll find language and region. Okay, so under here you can see this is the preferred language. You can add a new language if you want to. By clicking on this, you can find lots of languages options that you can use. For example, in here, I'm going to find English. Let's try English Malaysia. You can just click on next, and then you can click on install. But if you want to just add or use the one that you already added, this one for example, you can just click on the one here. You can see this is the current one. You can click on this or click on the three dots icon in here, click on language options, and you'll see the details here. If you want to change it, you can just here add a new language, and then install it, and it will be shown in here. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.